Hello, uh, welcome to Technifying Kenya. Uh, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft SQL Server 2017 and how to install it in your machine. So first of all, you go to this website, the official Microsoft website. That's where you are going to download the Microsoft SQL Server 2017. What you are going to do is just go to Google, then you search SQL Server 2017, just like that. Then you scroll down to the download site, Microsoft SQL Server. Now this one, you click download, then it is going to start downloading. So this is a web installer. This is a web installer. There are two types. There is this one, but I'm not going to use this one. This is Express. You just download, then it is going to be installed in your machine directly. Let me get the version that I want us to install. Now in our case, let me just use this one. So you are going to click this one. There is the basic one. You just download it and then it will be installed directly to your system. You can select the custom one, you select what to be installed, and now you can download the setup files, maybe for sharing with another computer or keeping them for future use. So I'm going to select download media to keep the files. Then you select the Express, that, select the download location, that one, then you click download. Once you click download, you will get something like this, two files, the Microsoft SQL Server 2017, this one Express, see, this one 200 MB, this one, and the next one, it is the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So let me close this one because I have the SQL Server. So you go back to your browser, search for SQL Server Management Studio. This one, then download SQL Server Management Studio. Then you just click download here. Then it's going to download. After you've downloaded, you will get this one. So let me first install the SQL Server 2017. Just double click it, you click OK. It's going to extract some files. You give it some few minutes, sometime. Then when you are here, you click new SQL Server standalone installation, this up here. Then you will get this window. Click accept, next. Then we no need for checking the update because in this case we don't update according to the year. Yeah, so we are going to the 2017. Let's not check the update. give it some few seconds. Yeah, everything is done. Just click next. Make sure these boxes are checked like that. Select all, then next. When you are here, you can either select the named instance if you want to name your SQL server, but this one is for advanced users, for developers. If you are just running the SQL server to install your system database, just use the default instance to avoid errors and so on and so forth and confusion. Let's just use the default instance. Click next. You give it some few seconds. Then will be here service accounts. These two parts, the SQL Server Database Engine, the startup type is automatic. Also the SQL Server browser, set it to automatic, not disabled. Change it from disabled to automatic, just like that. Also, if you want to set passwords in your SQL server, you can set them here, but for our case, let's leave that for developers and advanced users. Let's just use the default installation configuration. Click next. Now here we are going to use the Windows authentication mode. There is also the mixed mode, SQL Server authentication and Windows authentication. This one you will set the password to log in so that you can view the databases, but let's use the Windows authentication mode. This one you will see the users, then you select next. It's going to start the installation. You give it some few minutes for it to install. Let's just wait for it to finish. It's almost. So it's done installing. After the setup is has completed, you are going to see this log. You make sure everything and the status is succeeded, everything. So after that, your installation is successful. Now you can close the installer and also this one, installation center. The next thing, you are going to install the server management studio. This is just simple, just click install. Give it some few seconds for loading the packages. You give it some few minutes to complete the installation. That is almost done. Yeah, so the installation has completed. So this computer must be restarted before the setup can continue. So after this, just restart your computer. So this is after restarting. Yeah, so I guess the installation of everything is now completed. We can navigate to our start button here, then you scroll down to find uh, Microsoft SQL Server Tools 2018, 18, I'm sorry. Then you are going to get Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. Just click. Then you wait for it to load. It's searching for all the servers around the network in the computer also. So it's going to open. You will see your server name here, which is also the computer name. So this is the server. You just click connect, and you are going to be connected to your database now. You're going to see the databases. You can see them here, all of them, the tables. So you have successfully installed Microsoft SQL Server 2017 and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio version 18. Points to note: this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, this is used for restoring databases, just working around with your database. And the SQL Server, that's the actual server, the storage area for the data. And this one connects to the data, and then you are going to browse everything in the database. So thank you guys.